Hi, today we are going to the Athirapilly Waterfall, which is in the Thrissur district. It's almost like a 1 hour taxi ride from Cochin International Airport to Athirapilly Waterfall. On the way to Athirapilly Waterfall, you can stop in a small waterfall. That's the Thumburmuri Waterfalls, and you can walk through a hanging bridge. It's really beautiful. And also there is a small butterfly garden, and it's a really good place to relax. And at the top there is a famous waterfall that's called the Vazhachal waterfall, and in the middle one is the famous that's the Athirapilly waterfall. And when is the best time to visit? I'll tell you the end of July and August and September, and June is very raining. Unfortunately this year, even it's in August, it's still raining hard, and we are so lucky to reach here. And we heard that the road to the waterfall was closed just after we left. And it's a great place to hang around, and if you like to go to the forest, please get the permission ahead from the forest department. Then you can go to the up the hill, and you can hike through it and enjoy the nature and wildlife. And I hope you like this video. The Athirapilly Waterfall is very famous for most of the movie location. There are a lot of movies shoot here. This is a great place to take a picture, but you need to be really careful during the rainy season. It's a little bit slippery. The way to the waterfalls is really green, lush with a lot of bamboo trees and teaks and palm trees. It's a great place to hike and bike around. You just need to make sure in advance the road to the waterfall is open. Recently, because of the rain, it was closed a few times. And if you want to go to the hills or into the forest, please take the permission ahead from the forest department, and they will take you around. So it's great, and you can watch, like you can sightseeing things. And also there are a lot of wild animals, especially the deers and elephants. So I will ask you to come here and enjoy the nature, and please make sure you are responsible tourists. Don't leave your plastic anywhere, and just take off your trash and take care of your wild nature. And please subscribe to my channel